Home buying process, step 9, home inspection and due diligence. The home inspection typically happens during the option period. This is a buyer expense. It normally costs somewhere between $500 to $800 for a good inspection, and it's worth every penny. We typically want to get this done as early in the option period as possible so that we have time to come to an agreement with the sellers before the end of the option period about what repairs are going to be done. So if we have a 5-day option period and we get under contract on Monday, Monday is day 0, Tuesday is day 1, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We have until Saturday at 5 p.m. to come to an agreement about repairs with the sellers. So I typically want to get an inspector in there by Tuesday, but Wednesday or Thursday would be fine. Inspections either happen in the morning or in the afternoon. They typically take around 4 hours, followed by a 30-minute walkthrough with the buyer. So if it's a morning inspection, the inspector will get there around 8 or 8:30 with the buyer walkthrough around noon. If it's an afternoon inspection, then the walkthrough will be around 4:30 or 5. Now you do have the option of going to the entire inspection and asking as many questions as you would like, or you don't have to go to the inspection at all. We can just hop on a 3-way call with the inspector that evening or the next morning, totally up to you. The most common option is to show up for a 30-minute walkthrough at the end of the inspection. When we look through that inspection report, we're primarily looking for 5 things. Major issues with plumbing, electrical, foundation, roof, and appliances, including HVAC and water heater. If any of those 5 issues are present, we want to make sure that that is going to be addressed in the request that we'll be making of the seller. Sometimes we can add other small issues in there. We can also discuss what small issues it makes sense for you to do once you move into the house. That inspection report is still going to be helpful because it'll show you where you can be doing preventative maintenance. But I'm always diligent to make sure the major issues are addressed in an amendment to the original contract.